Hey everybody, so I thought I would show you a no waste recipe. I'm sorry, I'm trying to see if there's something on the lens. It looks funny. A no waste recipe for the juice from your garbanzo beans. I'm going to make hummus, and I thought I would share a recipe for vegan whipped cream. So what you want to do first is drain your chickpeas, the juice, into a bowl. And I'm not going to make the whipped cream because I don't have anything I need whipped cream for. But you could freeze this and use it at a later date. So if you were in a situation or you have veggie or vegan friends, you can make this, or like I said, in a SHTF, if you don't have like Dream Whip and all those things, you can make some whipped cream. Now you'll want to use this usually as soon as you make it, or you can make it, put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, but you'll have to rebeat it. So the recipe for this is a 15-ounce can of garbanzo beans, the juice drained. You'll want 1/8 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of extra fine sugar or powdered sugar or whatever you have. Then what you're going to do first is add the cream of tartar and the vanilla at the beginning of the whipping, and whip that in at medium speed, and then slowly start adding your sugar, and it'll take about 15 minutes to whip that up, and then you will have vegan whipped cream. So I just thought I would share a no waste recipe with you. That's what today is for me, a no waste Friday. I went through the refrigerator, and I'm just going to make some dishes out of things that I have open or need to be used, what have you. So just a quick Aquafaba is what it's called, recipe for whipped cream. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.